Okay, here we go. On my way to the hairdresser. I've been blonde for almost 15 years now, and this journey is coming to an end. We're going brunette today, which is my original color. So stay tuned. Okay guys, step one. This is very scary. It's orange and purple. Okay, step one. Blonde is gone. And we have red. Daisy don't do red. But everybody in the salon loves this red. Ain't gonna happen. It's supposed to, we've lifted the blonde and then we're gonna go, the next step will be dark, so stay tuned. Step one, dry. I don't like red. Anybody who knows me knows I don't like red, but it's a little highlighted strawberry blonde. Let's stay in. Okay, step two. It's black. Alrighty. Washed, ready to dry. Okay, final results. Back to me. For those of you who don't know, I wear my Wonder Woman shirt to inspire me, but this is the real me. God made me a brunette, and I have been a blonde for the last 15 years, and it was time to go back. So, hope you like it, because this is me.